How small YouTubers are destroying their channel without knowing. Currently, I am experiencing low views on one of my channel and I'm not happy about it. I've been talking about YouTube growth for some time now, but this one I'm experiencing on one of my channels, I am not really happy about it because I spent a lot of time creating or building that channel, and what I am currently experiencing on that channel is not funny. My views are dropping drastically on that channel. Now, after analyzing my analytics for some time, I got to know that I've made a lot of mistakes on that channel, and that is what is causing my video views. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to discuss with you 5 of these mistakes that I have currently committed on that channel that is causing that low views on that channel, and that is what is currently destroying my channel. So I believe at the end of this video you are going to also find out those mistakes that you are currently committing on your channel and those ones that you need to avoid so that you don't also fall into this situation that I have currently found myself in. My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to discuss YouTube growth. Anything that will help you grow on YouTube, we discuss it right here on this channel. Let's get right into the video. So now, before we dive into these 5 mistakes that I have committed on my channel that is causing my video views, let me give you a little background about this channel. Now, what I want you to understand is that this video I'm currently doing is unscripted. So whatever I say is just from off head because I know what I actually did on that channel. But if you see me looking straight here, I have my screen before me. I've listed a point so that I don't deviate from the main point. Now, let me give you a little background about what happened and how I started this channel. The moment I created that account, I knew I'm going to use it to create videos on AI tutorials. So I left the account down for more than 3 months. But what I was doing with that account was to watch videos around AI tutorials. Anytime I'm going to watch any video concerning AI, I use that account to watch, just to build watch history for that account. Okay, now when I finally decide to make videos or publish my first video on that account, the first video I made on that channel went viral, second video went viral, and third video went viral. Other subsequent videos that I published on that channel were also doing well on that channel. Okay, I wasn't experiencing any significant low views until I made the first mistake on that channel. Now, the first mistake that I made with that account or with that channel was to start watching videos that were not related to my niche. Now, I'm not telling you don't go and watch videos that are not related to your niche, but what I'm saying is that I had a purpose on that channel, and the purpose was to create AI tutorial niche. So all I wanted to do on that with that account was to watch videos that were related to AI tutorial niche. Now, what happened was that when I checked the analytics of the first 2-3 videos that I published, I realized that YouTube was recommending my videos to viewers that watch specific videos that I watch on YouTube. So that was how I was getting my recommended views on YouTube. So almost all the videos that I watch on YouTube was also recommending my videos to viewers that watch those videos on YouTube. Now, after I made that first mistake by watching videos outside my niche, YouTube started recommending my videos to viewers from other channels or other niche, and that affected my click-through rate and also my average view duration, because some of these viewers, when they come or they click on my video, they don't watch the video for a long time because their interest is not in AI tutorial niche. So that started affecting my videos. Now, the more low click-through rate I had on my videos, YouTube stopped recommending my videos like it used to. So that was the first mistake that I did that started affecting my channel. Now, I'm not telling you that apart from your niche you shouldn't watch any other videos, but what I am trying to say is that if you feel like watching other videos, you can use other accounts of yours to watch those videos outside your niche, because I believe YouTube use your interest to find the ideal audience for your channel. Because after analyzing my video analytics, I got to know that most of the videos that I was interested in used to link that interest to find my ideal audience for my channel. Now, after I committed the first mistake, I decided to correct the mistake by committing another mistake. That is by deleting my watch history. Yes, I wanted to start everything afresh, but that was a bad move for my channel, because the moment you delete your watch history, YouTube lose track of every record that it has on your account. Okay, because when you check the YouTube Studio, the advanced features section, you notice that before your account is even verified on YouTube, unless you have built about 3 months watch history. So what does it tell you? It tells you that YouTube is interested in your watch history. Now, because I deleted my watch history, it destroyed everything. I wasn't getting the video recommendation that I used to get anymore. Even if I had kept the watch history, it would have been better than me deleting the watch history, because YouTube has lost the data that it used to have on my behavior, and therefore it needs to take time to relearn my behavior again to find the ideal audience for my channel. So as a small YouTuber, do not ever and ever think of deleting your watch history, because it's going to affect your video views. Now, after I deleted my watch history and I realized that my videos were no more performing like it used to be, I decided to find another way to get views on my channel, and that was by falling on trends. I got to know that there were some niches, or there were some topics on YouTube that were trending. So I decided to fall on those trends to get views for my channel. Yes, trending video spikes up your views, and it really worked on my channel. But the mistake I did was that those trending videos that I fall on to get views and get subscribers for my channel were topics that were not related to my niche at all. They were on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining, which were far different from my niche. And because of that, I invited wrong audience to my channel. And I made about 3 videos on these trending topics, and I gained a lot of subscribers out of those videos. Now, I want you to understand that my channel is not about Bitcoin. It was about AI tutorial niche. And because I invited audiences that are interested in Bitcoin, they were not ready to engage on other content on the channel, either the existing content or new content that I publish on my channel. They were not engaging on my videos, and that alone confuses the algorithm, because you have 2 different audience with 2 different behaviors on the channel. Now, when YouTube is going to recommend your videos, it will end up recommending your videos to these 2 audience. Now, if you do that, anytime you upload a video on YouTube and it appears on their feed, they ignore those videos because they are not interested in such content. Now, the more people ignore your videos on their feed, it starts affecting your click-through rate and your average view duration. Some people don't ignore it. They click on the video, all right, but they don't watch the video for a longer time. Just 1 minute into the video or 2 minutes into the video, then they click off the video. This started affecting my click-through rate and my average view duration, and because of that, YouTube stopped recommending my videos. Okay, this is another mistake that I did that is costing my video views on my AI tutorial channel. Now, after I realized that this is another huge mistake that I have made on my channel, I decided to find another way to correct this mistake by falling on trending videos that were related to my niche. Now, this is another mistake that I did. Like I said, trending videos are not bad. They spike up your video views fast. The moment I fell on some trending videos that were related to my niche, my video views started going up. I started seeing much views on my channel, a lot of subscribers on my channel. But the mistake I did was that I was only focusing on trending videos, even though they were related to my niche. Any topic that is trending that you make videos on, remember that there are trending videos that are not going to last for a longer time. Now, with time, this trend started dying off and I started losing my video views again, because people are no more interested in those trending topics again. Instead of me combining the trending video with evergreen content, I was only focusing on trending topics, and that really boosted my video views. Trending videos are not enough. As you are making videos on trending videos, also think about creating evergreen content alongside, so that when the trend dies, your evergreen content can bring you views over time on your channel. But I was focusing more on trending videos. So when those videos started dying off, or the trend started dying off, my video views started dropping as I'm speaking to you now. Currently, I am experiencing low views on my channel because I focus more on trending videos than evergreen content. Even though I have evergreen content on my channel, the trending videos are more than the evergreen content. So the current few views I am making on my channel are views from those evergreen content. Now, when I say evergreen content, they are content or they are topics that are searchable. Anytime people search for those topics, either on Google or on YouTube, those videos appear. Those are evergreen content. So whenever you fall on trend, also add evergreen content to it, so that when the trend dies, your evergreen content or topics will save your channel. Now, because I was experiencing low views on my channel, I decided to take the next step by giving up for some few weeks. I stopped posting on that channel, and that was another huge mistake that I did on that channel. Now, after I stopped posting, YouTube stopped testing my videos because it didn't have enough data to work with again. Now, when I returned and started making videos or publishing video on that channel, YouTube started recommending the video to fewer people. It started treating my channel like a new channel. I was getting low impression on my videos and at the same time low views on my videos, and that is what I am currently experiencing on my channel. If you like the information I am sharing with you, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also leave a nice comment in the comment section. For me, that's the only way you can motivate me to create more. And also share your thoughts with me in the comment section. What do you think I should do on that channel to revive the channel? So these are some measures that I have taken to revive that channel back. The first measure is to watch videos that are related to AI tutorial niche, only using that account. Apart from that, if I want to watch any other videos on YouTube, I'm going to use different account to watch, so that I can be able to build consistent watch history for that channel. Now, the second solution or measure that I've taken to revive that channel is to post consistently. Even if I don't have long form videos, I'll make sure to post short videos in order to maintain that consistency on that channel. Now, the second thing that I'm going to do, or I have decided to do, is to fall on trend in order to spike up my views on that channel, and at the same time make alongside the trending videos in order to benefit from both trendy videos and evergreen content to balance it all. And the next step I have taken to resolve this issue is by engaging my audience at all costs. No matter what, I should be able to engage or communicate with my audience in the comment section in order to build relationship with them, so that they can come back to watch my other videos on my channel. And the final step that I have taken to resolve this issue is to be patient in order to rebuild this channel again. So if you have also made the same mistake, don't worry, you can rebuild the channel back. Share your thoughts about this with me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share more tips with you that is going to help you to build your channel just as the way I'm building my channel on YouTube. Until then, my name is Debbie. Make sure you watch the previous video that I uploaded on this channel. That video is popping up right now. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.